Hello students. In the last class, I taught you electricity and circuits. The lecture is in Hindi. In case if you want a lecture in English, we can do that. You need to mention it in the comment section. So today we are going to solve the exercise for electricity. Let us see one by one. So the first question is, a device that is used to break an electric circuit is called. Now, what is that device which is used to either make or break a circuit is known as switch. If you see my lecture, the lecture which I have done on electricity and circuits, you will see how a switch is used to either make a circuit or break a circuit. Okay. Now, the next question is, an electric cell has dash terminals. So students, how many terminals does an electric cell has? You can see there's an electric cell over here. One is a positive terminal, the other one is a negative terminal. So an electric cell has two terminals. Okay. Next, mark true or false for the following statement. The first statement is, electric current can flow through metals. Is it true or false? Students, I told you all, remember, the electric current can flow through metals as metals are conductors of electricity. Okay. Instead of metal wires, question number 2b, instead of metal wires, a jute string can be used to make a circuit. Can we use a jute string? No. So this is false. And why can't we use a jute string? Because it's an insulator. It does not allow current to flow through it. Okay. 2c. Electric current can pass through a sheet of thermocol. Absolutely not. False. And again, what is the reason? Again, because thermocol is an insulator. It does not allow electricity to pass through it. Okay. Now, question number 3. Explain why the bulb would not glow in the arrangement as shown in figure 12.13. Now, in this figure, you have to explain why the bulb will not glow. Now, you see, positive terminal of the battery is connected to this end of the screwdriver, whereas the negative terminal of the battery is connected to this end, which is made up of plastic. Okay, and this plastic, basically whatever material it is, this material is an insulator. So if in an electric circuit you use an insulator, will it allow the flow of current? No. So if it does not allow the flow of current, will the bulb glow? No. So what are we going to write? What explanation are we going to give? The handle of the screw is made up of insulator. The handle of screw driver or something, whatever, is made of insulator. Which does not allow current to flow through it. Which does not allow current to flow. Hence, the bulb does not glow. Clear? Now, let us move on to the next question. Question number 4. Complete the drawing shown in figure 12.14 to indicate where the free ends of the two wires should be joined to make the bulb glow. So how are we going to complete this drawing? You see, this end of the wire is loose. So what are we going to do? We are going to connect it with the bulb. All right. And again, this end of the wire is getting connected to the other end of the battery terminal. All right. So now the circuit looks complete. You see, Both the ends are connected. It's a complete circuit. Positive terminal, negative terminal, all are connected. So now the bulb will glow. Number 5. What is the purpose of using an electric switch? Name some electrical gadgets that have switches built into them. Now, students, I just now told you that a switch is a simple device that either makes or breaks a circuit. Okay, that is either it breaks the circuit or it completes the circuit. By making a circuit means it completes the circuit. The switches used in lighting of electric bulbs and other devices in homes works in the same principle. In devices like radio, TV, mobile, torch, electric toys, they have built-in switches, right? So, what is the answer? What is the purpose of electric switch? I'm writing it here. A switch is a simple device that either breaks the circuit or completes it. Completes or make it. Okay. Now, the next question says that name some electrical gadgets that have switches built into them. There are a lot of electrical gadgets. For example, radio, TV, mobiles. Then we have torch, even the toys which the kids play, so electric toys, etc. All right. Okay. Now, number 6. Would the bulb glow after completing the circuit shown in figure 12.14 if instead of a safety pin, we use an eraser? So here we are using a safety pin, and instead of a safety pin, if you use an eraser, would the bulb glow? What would be the answer? The answer is the bulb will not glow. And why will the bulb will not glow? Because eraser is an insulator. So if you use an eraser, what will happen? It will not complete the circuit. It will break the circuit. And therefore, current will not pass through it. And as a result, the bulb will not glow. Okay. So let me write that answer for you for question number 6. The bulb won't glow as eraser is an insulator. Okay, so what will happen? Because we are using an insulator, what will happen? The circuit will not be complete. Therefore, the circuit will not be complete. Clear? Okay. Question number 7. Would the bulb glow in the circuit shown in figure 12.15? You see, will the bulb glow over here? In this point, you can see both the wire are connected to only one terminal of the bulb. So the current will not flow through the bulb and it will not glow. So we should make the necessary connections. What we should do, we should connect one end of the wire with one terminal and other end of the wire with the other terminal. Okay, you see they both, here you can see that they both are connected to the same terminal. So if they both are connected to the same terminal of the bulb, obviously the bulb will not glow. So the answer will be no, the bulb won't glow. And why? Because both ends of the wire are connected to the same terminal. Is it clear? I'm not writing it here as there's no space, but you make sure you add that line. Okay. Question number 8. Using the conduction tester on an object, it was found that the bulb begins to glow. Is that object a conductor or an insulator? Explain. Since the bulb is glowing, obviously that conduction tester is a conductor. Okay, so since what you are going to write, since the object allows current to flow and completes the circuit and makes the bulb to glow, it means that the object is a conductor of electricity. Is it clear? Okay. Now, question number, do you want me to write that down? So I'll just write it down. Yeah. Since the object allows current to flow and completes the circuit, making the bulb glow, the object is a conductor. Okay. Now, next question. Question number 9. Why should an electrician use rubber gloves while repairing an electric switch at your home? Obviously, students, when they are repairing an electrical switch, they are dealing with copper wires, and copper wires are, great conductor of electricity, and they are all live wires where carrying a lot of current. And human body is also a good conductor of electricity, so those electricians may get shocked. Whereas rubber is an insulator. So to prevent themselves from electric shock, the electrician use rubber gloves while repairing. Is it clear? So why are they using the rubber gloves? The electrician wear rubber gloves to protect themselves from electric shock. Electric shock, as human body is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, clear? Okay. Question number 10. You can also write a bit more explanations showing that they'll be dealing with the copper wires. Those copper wires are carrying huge amount of current, and human body is also a good conductor of electricity. So to prevent from getting a fatal electric shock, the electrician wear rubber gloves, as rubber is an insulator. Okay, you can write a bit of explanation. The handles of the tools like screwdrivers and pliers used by electricians for repair work usually have plastic or rubber covers on them. Can you explain why? Obviously, again, the same thing. Without the help of insulators, the use of electric tools like pliers and screwdrivers will give electric shock to the user. Okay, so what do? The handles of such tools are made up of plastic and rubber covers, as they are insulators and they can prevent themselves from any accident or shock. Okay, let me write the answer for you. Do we have any space? Yes, we have a bit of space here. I'm writing the answer number 10 for you. Okay, answer number 10. As plastic and rubber covers are insulators. Plastic and rubber covers or insulators they protect the electricians from any accident or electric shock while they are handling live electric wires. Okay, you can add your explanations to it. I just roughly gave you the answer. So that's all for today. Let us keep it till here. In case if you want more help, you can mention it in the comment section. Thank you. Take care.